Flinto class has made a huge difference in my child's life. It's very child-centric and the kind of experience she's getting here is very enriching.
Flinto class has a holistic learning program which grooms children to be independent. The curriculum is designed in such a way that it focuses on the 16 most important skills for development like cognitive, fine motor, gross motor, language, social skills.
Children learn through play as they explore the world around them. We strongly believe that play is the highest form of learning, and hence Flinto class is a child-centric curriculum. It is a combination of the best learning strategies from across the world. We have adapted principles from the Waldorf system, John Dewey system, Playway methodologies, and also based on the theories of multiple intelligence by Gardner.
Flinto class designs activities that are easily relatable and relevant in the real-life scenarios. For example, for the theme market, children would set up a mini market in the classroom. One of them could be buyer and another could be a seller. They would actually exchange money and buy products from the market. This scenario will also encourage pretend play as they learn the concept of money.
Every week she brings home 3 to 4 activities which she made at the school. So I get to know exactly what's happening in the school.
A Flinto class day has been designed in such a way that it makes learning simple, effective and child-friendly. It also breaks the monotony.
The first session is Interact. In this session, children will sit together and work on activities that will help them develop their pro-social behavior and communication skills.
In the second session, which is Solve, children sit by themselves and do activities and puzzles which develops their analytical thinking and logical reasoning.
The third session is Explore. In this session, children work individually or together as a team. They work on sensory activities that include sand, clay or any art materials. We focus more on the process than the outcome. So there is no right or wrong way of learning from these activities.
Every child learns differently. Some are visual learners, a few have sharp auditory skills, and the rest are kinesthetic. Hence, the hands-on materials that we provide are designed in such a way that they cater to the unique learning style of each child. Children are introduced to a wide variety of learning materials that are not just bright and colorful but have a high play value. We are the only preschool system that offer exposure to a wide variety of sensorial materials with respect to different ideas, concepts and themes.
I think it's a great start for her education.